Redis bitmaps let you store 1 bit per user or event, giving you compact yes or no flags at massive scale without a dedicated Boolean column for every ID. A bitmap is not a special type. It is a plain Redis string that you access bit by bit. Commands like SETBIT and GETBIT treat each byte position as 8 independent Boolean slots. After running SETBIT active 7.1, Redis allocates exactly 1 byte. Bit offset 0 through 6 are 0, offset 7 is 1. GetBit active 7 returns 1, and BitCount returns 1. We set bits at offsets 3 and 7, confirm GetBit reads them back, then count the set bits. Flipping offset 7 back to 0, drops BitCount from 2 to 1, all in constant time per bit operation. The most common review bugs are swapped key and offset design, missing TTLs on time-scoped bitmaps, and calling BitCount without a byte range on a huge key, which can block Redis for milliseconds. Bitmaps are one of Redis's most memory-efficient tricks. Keep the key versus offset design straight, scope your BitCount ranges, and remember TTLs, and you will catch the real bugs in any PR.